Felicitas, Felix, and Destiny Jeff. Ay pagmamahal na kasama na at wala. Kung hahanapin nyo, kamulugan ng pangalan ng Felicitas, ibig sabihin ko ay kasi sa mga ako, minsan po ang pamilya, sana po tataan ang kwento ng aking pamilya. Lola, sana ako buhay niyo po kaming gabayan. Alam ko namin na kasama ng Diyos at mga mahal na aming mayamanan. Balang araw, sana isa ka po sa sumusunod sa akin sa tahanan ng Diyos. Gusto ko rin po gamitin ang pagkakataon na ito na taos ko sa magpasalamat kila Mama Lisa, Tita Mar, naman kasi at Tito sa pag-aagawa ng kanya sa mga papasalamat ko sa kapamilya namin dito sa Manila sa mga bumisita tuwing narito si Lola sa Pinas. Sa mga kapamilya namin narito at nasa ibang lugar upang gamayan at mag-ibisitahin si Lola. Maraming salamat po. Alam ko po dahil sa inyo naging masaya si Lola. Salamat po.
Growing up was you know like take care of me but nasa Philippines ko yung mama ko and naalala ko every time pumunta ako sa school. Umupo ko sa tablet ko na parang ayusin yung buho ko. And then, si Lola specialty ng hindi ko. And binabenta niya sa bakery lang sa US. And sumasama ako with her. And and then, leading up to Lola's death, she was already nakakalimutan sa names ng mga tao in her memory. Pero whenever tinatanong siya kung sino ako or nakikita niya ako, alam niya yung pangalan ko. And si Lola, like the thank you to everyone, kahit she's forgetful and just tumatawa. God, thank you for being kind, generous, helpful, and respectful. Yung values you have passed down to your children and us, your uncles. From the stories we are told, ina-admire ko yung resiliency and hard work mo for our family alongside with Lolo. You have taught us the importance of family and supporting each other. I am grateful to have a Lola like you that teaches our family righteous values. Kahit you're no longer with us, I know you're always here in spirit, guiding and watching over your loved ones. Thank you, Lola, for raising me. You are now our lovely angel in heaven. You will always be missed, and you will always live in my heart, in our hearts. And then a message for the Anna BJ. Dear Lola Feli, thank you for hardships and sacrifices you've done for us all. We wouldn't be here without you, Lola. It saddens me na wala ka na, pero alam ko din na happy ka na because you've reunited with your families. They have waited for you. La, maraming salamat for the joy and laughter and togetherness. I will miss your smile, joking with you, eating your food, and living with you. I will always remember all the memories I had with you and cherish them forever. To our rock of the family, Lola, we will miss you. We will always love you. You will remain in our hearts. Masakit na wala ka na, pero gusto ko lang magpasalamat ako sa Diyos na naging Lola ako ngayon sa lifetimes at naging ako niya ako. Please always guide and protect our family and relatives while you're in heaven. Love you till we see each other again. Thank you. Okay, that's all. Thank you for everyone for coming here and how you all share about Lola and how positively impacted all of our lives.
Hindi kita malilimutan, hindi kita pababayaan. Nakaukit magpakailanman sa aking palad ang iyong pangalan. Malilimutan ba ng ina ang anak na galing sa kanya? Sanggol sa kanyang sinapupunan.